Hello everyone, in this session we will see the sketch based features. Many of these we have already seen in our previous session. In this session we will see the remaining features. Okay, up to whole we have seen already. From rib we will see in this session. In Catia, the rib command is used to create a solid rib feature that extends along a selected sketch profile. This feature is typically used to strengthen and support parts in a design, adding structural integrity. This task we will see in this our software. Okay, for this I will draw geometry. For rib, we have to take a extra plane. Okay, plane should be normal to our curve. This curve is selected already. We have to select a point. Okay, on this plane we will draw a sketch. Okay, now in rib command, the profile is already selected, center curve should be selected. I have selected the center curve. Okay, if you want the hollow profile, then click here and give the thickness. Click OK. See, the hollow pipe gets created. Next command is slot. For this I will draw a sketch. Okay, now I will take a plane. Now on this plane we will draw a sketch. And we will go in our slot command. Sketch is already selected. We have to select a center curve. See, the slot has been created. Our next command is multi-section solid. For this I will take a new sheet and I will draw a circle here. I will take a reference plane. Okay. Now I will take a plane offset from plane. Okay. Offset distance should be 50. On this plane we will draw another sketch. Now we will do this multi-section command. See, according to our drawing, the multi-section is created. Okay, multi-section solid. This command is multisection solid, and another is remove multisection solid. In multisection solid, we will add a material, and remove multisection solid. See, like this we will remove the material from solid. The removed multisection solid capability generates lofted material solid by skipping one or several planar section curves along a computed or user defined spine, then removes this material